Welcome to Big Lake Show Vibes. I'm your host, Crim Slim. Just looking for a string of Lakers wins at this point. And as you can see, I had to come with a different kind of vibe. The jersey will be worn during the game, but it's just hoodie. It's just hoodie vibes right now. Side note, the hoodie is fire though. Hoodie is fire. But it's tough. It's just tough times in Lakerville. But tough times don't last. Tough people do. We're going to be okay. It's just like you don't need to see the eyes too much. It's just, we will be all right though. We need to just weather this storm, come together as a team. Listen, we 13-13. We're not 30-30. All right. So we got a lot of basketball to play. Does Vogel need to go? Possibly. We'll get into that. But am I worried? No. The only other thing that I'm concerned about is Anthony Davis. Bron is good. Russ is good. Our shooting is good. Monk, Ellington, Melo. But it's two glaring things, Vogel and AD. So let's get into that right now. First thing up, let's talk about AD. AD, man, you are the X factor. You have the potential to be great or to just be decent. Now, I get it. They playing you at weird positions. You done been told them you're not a 5. They keep trying to play you at the 5. But once you're there, AD, you got to take over, man. You're not giving me DPOY vibes anymore at all. I'm talking about just a year and a half ago, you may have been considered the best defensive player in the league. And in that same year, you led our team in offense with 28 points a game. AD, man. We need more. ASAP. But when you turn it on, as soon as you turn it on, if you turned on consistent gameplay, like a 30 streak, like a 5 to 6, 10 game 30 streak, we're winning those games. You gave me 22, 8, and 1 last night. 22, 8, and 1. What is that? 30 and 15 from you, man, with 2 blocks. 2 to 3 blocks a game. I mean, we can't put this all on GOAT. You baby GOAT, man. There was a time when I was calling you baby GOAT. Now I can't even think about that. I mean, you nice, but we need greatness. We need greatness. We need greatness. We traded a lot of people for you, man. We need greatness. I get it. Russ gave me 9, 6, and 7 last night, but he only took 9 shots. He didn't OD. I mean, the whole team didn't shoot good, so forget last game. Last game is last game. We 13-13. We still in the playoff hunt. It's like, listen, guys. I mean, I get it. It's something to come at, but the standings is jumbled. Like, we're 13-13. The Clippers are in the 5th seed at 14-12. And the Grizzlies are in 4th at 15-11. Had we beat them, we would be 14-12, just like the Clippers, and the Grizzlies would be 14-11. I mean, 14-12 as well. We'd all be in that 14-12 jump. So I'm not tripping over this gap. Like, yeah, the first 3 teams are up there, 4, 4, and 7 losses. That's fine. They can have that. But 4 and 5, That's the safe zone. That's the safe zone. And we right there. We one game in the mix of that. 2 games. 1 game, to be honest. So let's not get too worried. We got a lot of basketball. It's a long season to go. We got till April. It ain't even New Year's yet. It ain't even New Year's yet, and y'all trying to write us off. But I tell you what, we writing this all down. Look at the fire on this. We notating. Big LakeShow. We gonna remember this. Y'all time is coming. Now, to that other guy, Frankie V. Frankie V. Your time is coming, man. And it's them damn rotations. I don't know what you're thinking, having LeBron and AD out for as long as you did. That's what gave them confidence. We was rolling them. Then you sit Bron and AD. End the first, start the second. I think that's when you did it. We got to do better. And the lineup that you had out there was unbelievable. It was unbelievable. Come on. We can't that's unacceptable, man. Like, how I'm gonna be mad at Russ and you got him out there. And why ain't you playing Dwight Howard? Hold on, let me get back to the stat. Let me get back, because I'm gonna be hot. 10 minutes. 10 minutes. We got out-rebounded. They had Steven Adams in for how many minutes did Steven Adams play? 30 minutes for Steven Adams, 10 minutes for Dwight Howard, and you wonder why we got out-rebounded crazy. Frankie V, that's what I'm talking about. We didn't get it out-rebounded crazy, but we should have been smashing them. AD, I'm going to bit my tongue. AD is leaking out. He's not going to grab rebounds. But that's okay. All we got to do is take a little the slightest of tweaks. The slightest of tweaks are going to take us to the next level. Trust me. GOAT is still GOAT. GOAT is GOAT. Just have faith in everybody else. Tonight, we got a back-to-back. It's against OKC. But both times, Bron was not in there, so we had to watch those beatdowns. I do not see us losing tonight. I do not. I might even put on one of my exclusive Brons. Rookie MVP Bron. I think I'm going there. Stitching Bron. So, we'll see what's good. I'm going to holla at y'all. Let me get up in this. I got to get up in the camera good. Yo.